Before you stitch any embroidery design, you always want to check where it's actually going to stitch. Now, this design is on screen and I've actually already stitched this, so you can actually get a better idea what this function is actually going to be. Now, it hides just a little bit, so if you go into the eye for information, and you might need to actually look at the bottom part here where it says check. So check is going to give you a box around your design where you can actually move around to the outside perimeter corners of that design and even find where the center is. So at that point, if you needed to, you could even move the design left or right or up or down to get it exactly to the location where you want it to be. So once you have it where you need it to be, touch the X and then go ahead. You're ready to stitch it out. If you've located where it's going to stitch and you're happy with the location, touch the needle and thread to go to the embroidery stitch out screen.